Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Now today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 4 student. And our today's topic is C.B.B.Q 11 number questions. So look at the board, students. Our today's topic is C.B.B.Q 11 long questions and our lecture number is 25. So student, let's start our today's topic. So student, look at the board. Question number 11. This is our last question. C.B.Q question. We have C.B.Q 11 questions. 1 to 11, and this is our last C.B.B.Q question. See, competency based broad question number 11. Question is, the struggle this time is a struggle for emancipation. The struggle this time is a struggle for independence. When did Bangabandhu call for independence? This is the declaration or dialogue of Bangabandhu. What is the dialogue? The struggle this time is a struggle for emancipation. The struggle this time is a struggle for independence. This is the dialogue. This is the dialogue of Bangabandhu. And this question is, when did Bangabandhu call for independence? Now you have to write the answer of when did Bangabandhu call for independence. Answer. On 7 March 1971, a huge public meeting was called at the racecourse ground in Dhaka. Racecourse ground is situated in Dhaka. Bangabandhu addressed the crowd and called for independence. So who called? Bangabandhu addressed and addressed the crowd and called for independence. From 16 March to 25 March, a meeting was held with Yahya Khan about how to solve the political issue. But on 25 March, Pakistani army started mass killing. 25 March, but on the 25 March, Pakistani army started mass killing. On 26 March, Bangabandhu declared the independence of Bangladesh. So, on 26 March, Bangabandhu declared the independence of Bangladesh, which provoked the people to join the liberation war. So, what is our answer? Our answer is 26 March, Bangabandhu declared the independence of Bangladesh, which provoked the people to join the liberation war. Because this is our C.B.B.Q question, broad question, that's why we have to write many sentences. Okay, so we have to start from here and finish from here. Again, I am saying the answer. On 7 March 1971, a huge public meeting was called at the racecourse ground in Dhaka. Bangabandhu addressed the crowd and called for independence. From 16 March to 25 March, a meeting was held with Yahya Khan about how to solve the political issues. But on 25 March, Pakistani army started mass killing. On 26 March, Bangabandhu declared the independence of Bangladesh, which provoked the people to join the liberation war. Okay, student. Now you have to reading. You have to read with me. Okay, say with me, one by one. On 7 March 1971, a huge public meeting was called at the racecourse ground in Dhaka. Okay, thank you. And second line, Bangabandhu addressed the crowd and called for independence. Yes. And the next line, say with me. From 16 March to 25 March, a meeting was held with Yahya Khan about how to solve the political issue. Yes, second. Then third line, But on 25 March, Pakistani army started mass killing. On 26 March, Bangabandhu declared the independence of Bangladesh, which provoked the people to join the liberation war. So the student, this is our today's topic. Keep practicing your suggestion sheet very carefully, and you have to keep practicing at home, and always keep practicing your suggestion sheet every day. So see you again, inshallah.